Good night, guys. So the topic I want to focus on is called simulation. So the standard is SIC2. The objective, I can decide if a specified model is consistent with result from a given data generating process using simulation. So the vocabulary is simulation is the imitation of a situation or a process. Now, we're going to test a student's claim. First, I'm going to read the situation and then we dive into the simulation. I know a student who forgot about the upcoming history test and did not study at all. To protect his identity, I will just call him Slacker. What a name. When I reminded Slacker that we had a test in the next class, he said that he was not worried because the test has 10 true or false questions. Slacker said that he would totally guess on every question, and since he's always lucky, he thinks he will get at least 8 out of the 10. That's what he did on the last quiz, and it worked great. What do you think of Slacker's claim, class? Is it possible for him to get 8 out of 10 questions right? I want you guys to discuss among yourself before I dive into the simulation. I'm giving you guys some time. Okay, welcome back. Now, the simulation we're going to do is the flipping of coins. And we're going to flip 10 coins at once and count the number of heads for each. Looking at the table, we will be focusing on 5 tests. Heads represent correct answer, tail represent incorrect answer, and at the end, we want to find the percentage in terms of correct answers. Okay, so I'm going to use the technology to help me with this situation. So here I have my coin flipper. So I'm going to select 10 coins because it's 10 question. And the type of coin, let me see. Let me see if there's any for Jamaica. No, I'm not seeing anything for Jamaica. So because I'm in the United States of America, I'm going to go that direction. I'm going to look for the penny. Okay, there you go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the coins. Okay, so that's one time. I'm going to count the number of heads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 heads and 5 tails. Okay, so I'm going to write down that information. So for test 1, it's 5 heads, 5 tails. So that's 50%. Okay, cool. I'm going to do it for test 2. Flip. Let me count my heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 heads, 4 tails. So that's 60%. Okay. I'm going to do it for test 3. Flip. Count the heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 heads and 6 tails. So the percentage would be 40%. Sorry guys for the writing. I don't have enough space. I'm going to flip one more time. That's test 4. Let me use a different color, red. How many edges we have? 3 edges. So 3 edges, and we have 3 heads, and we have 7 tails, so it is 30%. Okay, use another color for the final test. I'm going to use blue. I'm going to flip again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads and 5 tail. So it is 50%. Okay, and we could go on and on and on and on. Okay, then in the end, did you get 8 out of 10 correct in any of your trials? In this case, no. Based on your trials, do you think Slacker has a good chance of getting 80% correct? And you can draw a conclusion based on doing this simulation over and over and over, where you can say, hey, Slacker, it is less likely that you will get 80%, yet there is a possibility. Thank you, guys. We can continue with this lesson next time.